Oh, you're gonna record and you're gonna send me over?
Yes, because it will be helpful
Perfect.
for you to do the
Yeah,
recap.
yeah. I was planning to ask you to record myself, but yeah, if you can do that, that will be awesome.
No issue. If you want, you can record by yourself also on your end. Okay.
Uh, hold on. Let me. Where is the recording here? Ah, it says recording unavailable. You're not allowed to record this video call.
You are not allowed? You should be allowed because I'm not sure. But no worry, because I have the recordings, I will send it to you over.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, so basically, my plan was to do the first session today, but what I'm going to do, as I'm started from the very scratch, so I'm going to divide it the session number one in two session. Okay, it's for you
Okay.
better understanding. So, my friend, we were going to start it with something that uh, like candle by candle reading. To me,
Okay.
everything you see in the chart, everything is a combination of two color. Okay. When I
Okay.
says the combination, that means I have a green candle which represented buy, and I have a red candle which represent me to as a sell candle.
Mm-hmm.
So for me, everything you see in the chart, every single of it is a combination. So, okay.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
when it's come to a combination, that means I'm also telling you everything is a combination. So there are two types of color. That means there would be one combination. If green and red become somewhere, it comes to in somewhere, we says it's one combination. If red and green started in somewhere, we said it's another combination. Got it?
So I no, I didn't got it.
Okay,
So what?
no issue. So let me show you. So look, this is a buy
Yeah,
candle. Okay,
if you
I'm
can.
sorry, I'm not sharing my screen. I'm just
Yeah,
sharing my
that's why.
chart.
Yeah, if you can show me. Yeah.
No issue. So look,
And
you see my chart? Just let me know.
yeah, and hold on. I have like three Mahmudur Rahman
There will be
here.
two Mahmudur Rahman because one of me, one is my tab, one is you.
Ah, okay, okay, okay.
Okay,
And you're recording this, right?
I am recording it.
Okay, okay, sounds good. Go ahead.
Okay, so what I say is everything in the chart for me as a combination. Okay,
Mm-hmm,
so how the
mm-hmm,
combination comes here? It represented by time and price. So
mm-hmm,
right now the market is moving upward, and
mm-hmm,
it's showing us that the upward means it's going to a bullish, and the bullish is
mm-hmm.
representing by a green candle.
Yeah, I know that. Yeah,
Okay, at the same time, if you're seeing somewhere here and there, we see some red candle, that means price went to downside, and that's why it represent us as a red candle.
yeah,
So everything in the chart is combination of two color. One is red, one is green. Red represents sell, green represent buy. This is what I
yeah, I know.
wanted to say. Now,
Yeah.
when I says the combination, that means if you're looking at here, this means these two color when comes together, it's a combination. When these two color comes together, it's a combination. When these two color comes together, it's a combination. Okay,
Mm-hmm,
when these two color
mm-hmm,
comes together, these two color, these two and these two and these two, everything is a combination. Okay, but the
mm-hmm.
question still remain, if everything is a combination, then what happened here, what happened here, what happened here, isn't it?
Okay.
So we will also look for them in the future. Okay,
Okay.
so now
Yeah.
before going to the combination, let us start with some candle skeleton which we called as a OHLC model. So look at this. So now we have a green candle, right? We have a
Mm-hmm.
green candle which is representing us as a buy candle. And if you see the chart or candle skeleton, which says every candle has a wicks.
Yes.
So how this represented in the price? This is the candle representation, but the price represent how? So the candle started on here, right? Started on
Yeah, I
here.
know that.
It goes,
The
it goes, it
yeah.
come, it did here. So this is the O, open, low, high and close, isn't it?
Yes.
The same
Yes.
same thing happened with the red candle. So this is the red candle. So we have this. So it started from upward now. So it started here, goes up, comes down here and here. So open, high, low and close. Both of them we can say as a OHLC model, isn't
Mm-hmm.
it? Now,
Yeah.
what we says, everything is a combination, and combination always need different thing. Like you and me are the same gender, So in a sense, in a genetical way, we cannot say we are a combination, we are same gender, but to fulfill a combination, we need opposite gender,
Mm-hmm.
isn't it? So as a
Yeah.
male, to fulfill our combination, we need a female.
Yeah.
So now, if it's a red candle, and if we have a high and low of this candle, that means it's just a single candle. To fulfill the combination, what color we need?
We need green.
We need a green, simple. So this is a green candle. Now we can say, yes, our combination fulfilled, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Now,
Yeah.
the second part comes, I understand everything is combination and we need two different color to fulfill a combination, but what it will become if we find a combination? Like, as I said a little bit earlier, when you and opposite gender comes together, it creates a combination, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then if something happen, like few criteria we have to produce a baby, that means we are bringing a next generation, isn't it?
Yes.
So the same process we have for the candle. So what we are going to do, we are going to mark the high and we are going to mark the low. Okay. As of now, we says our combination is fulfilled, but the combination fulfilled, but there is no outcome of it, right? So
Mm-hmm.
as it's a green pattern or by combination, that means if the high got broken with the body, we says we have an engulfing buy, isn't it?
Engulfing, yes.
Engulfing. And the high need to be this previous candle high need to be breakout with the body of the next candle, which is this one. So it's mandatory to have a body break. You got it?
I'm sorry, what?
It is mandatory to have a body break. Like this candle
Aha,
need to
but
be
body break.
body
Okay.
break.
Okay.
Okay. So when you
Yeah.
have this body break, we says our combination fulfilled. At the same time, that combination gives us outcome, which is a engulfing buy.
Okay.
So for good.
Yeah.
Sometimes we have different outcome, which is if you have this as a candle, so what we need to find a combination, tell me.
We need we need a green
Green
candle.
candle. So let's say we have a green candle here. So
Yeah,
the
and to cover the to be engulfing.
right, the question is the combination fulfilled as a engulfing buy?
Yes, engulfing. Yeah.
No, not yet, because the high is not breakout with the body of this green candle.
Ah, so you're asking me what? Okay, okay. Sorry, I didn't understand. So yeah, we need the green candle.
Right,
Yes,
and the green candle need to be breakout with the body.
yes,
So sometimes what you will see, the single candle will not break out the body, like the high with the body, but it take few several candles like this.
yes. Okay, but does need to break the wick too, right?
100%. That's why we mark the week's high, not the body,
Okay,
right? If
okay.
that's why we
Yeah,
need the
yeah.
high marking. So when you
Okay,
got the single color breakout with a different color, doesn't matter how many candle it takes, and the color remains same, we also call them as an engulfing.
okay.
So as this take few candle, not the single candle. Like if we look at here, we have a single candle breakout. So we says it's engulfing buy, right?
Yes,
At the same time, we are saying it's also engulfing buy, but this breakout is not happen with the single candle. It take at least three candle.
yes,
So we have a different name for it. So we call this one as a regular because single candle breakout, as this is not happen by one single candle. So we said it a irregular.
how you say it?
Irregular candle. Like
Irregular.
one is regular, one is irregular.
Okay,
Got it?
yes,
So far what we have seen, we says everything is in the chart as a combination. Then combination gives us an engulfing. There are two types of engulfing. One is engulfing by, one is engulfing, one is engulfing regular, one is engulfing irregular.
yes.
So whatever example we have seen so far, all of them are for uh, by engulfing.
Okay,
Same vice versa for the cell.
okay. Yeah,
Okay,
the first cell gonna be first the green candle, then the red candle. Yeah,
and then we need the body break.
Yes, 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 yes,
Okay. So now,
yes.
what is the benefit of it? Like what we are going to do with this part? This is the main question, right? This is the question.
Yeah,
Like we understand this is
yeah,
an engulfing, it's a regular. We understand this is an engulfing, it's an irregular. So the question is what we are going to do with it. Okay.
yeah, yeah.
So let us go to another chart. Let me show you, let me ask you some question. Then we are going to, no, like what we have on it. Okay. So my friend, let me ask you a few question in the chart. Okay. So,
Okay, so just I have a question. So you're
uh-huh.
doing this in 4 hour?
No, doesn't matter what hour we are looking for. I will show you the
Okay.
multi-time framing also. Even we are
Okay.
going to the 1 minute candle also when it comes to the execution of the trade.
Uh-huh. Okay.
Okay. So
Yeah.
just, I'm going to ask you a few questions. You just need to answer them. Okay.
Sure.
So what we have here,
Yeah, we have so we have bullish engulfing,
and we, what we call it,
regular,
regular. What we have on here,
irregular.
sell, right?
Yeah, sell, sell, sell. Yeah.
What we have here,
Irregular.
buy, right?
Buy. Yes.
What we have here,
Uh, irregular. Sell.
okay. So what we have here,
Irregular. Sell.
okay. What we have here,
Regular. Sell.
okay. What we have here,
That's a gap. So I don't know how
it's
you call
still,
that.
remember the way Chelsea model, still it's a bullish, right? Because of the body break.
Yeah. So, but should be regular.
Right. Correct.
Okay.
What we have,
Regular buy.
what we have here,
Regular buy.
okay. What we have here,
Regular buy.
and here,
Irregular sell.
here,
Uh, regular sell.
okay. What we have on here,
Irregular buy.
here,
Irregular buy. Irregular sell. Uh, that's so how you call it?
this is the high,
Irregular, right?
this is the high, low, this is the high. So the body break happened on here. So it's a irregular cell, right?
Irregular, yeah, because it's the second candle.
Right. So what do you have on here?
It's irregular sell.
And here?
Uh, irregular because I think the second
Yes. What do you have on here?
irregular
Great. Great. So for
sell.
good, right? What do you have on here?
Regular buy.
Nice. So look, almost 50% or 70% of the candle you already covered by irregular or irregular, right?
Yes.
Few we have on here, which is same color candle, which is same color candle, which is same color candle, isn't it?
Yes.
So also I says everything is in the market as a combination, and that combination should give us something as a engulfing. Okay. So
Mm-hmm.
if we look at here, like go to any example in the chart or anywhere in the chart, mark this gap, mark this gap, try to break it to the somewhere in the time frame, you will have something. So what you have on here,
That's order block.
right? It's a regular engulfing.
Ah, okay. Sorry.
Don't you? I understand that part. I understand. It's
No,
really hard.
okay. From my other,
I know, I know. It's very, it's really hard to unlearn something when you know something, right?
yeah, yeah,
I
yeah.
understand
Okay.
this part. Okay, so
It,
this
it's a
is,
regular. Yeah.
yeah, this is a regular. So what I say is, doesn't matter whatever candle you were looking for, if you know how to break it by time frame to time frame, like this is a gap, we will talk about it. So so if you break it,
Okay. I got a question. So can you put on a 4 hour?
yeah, sure.
And so I don't know if you can. I can. How I can.
Write it.
Right. Yeah.
Yeah, it may be no possible. Anyway, you can ask it.
So the green it's breaking down more.
Okay, so let me start on here. This is the green candle
Yes.
and the third candle breakout.
Yes.
So it's a
No,
irregular
I'm talking about down. The
down
next green candle.
here.
So the break it's on the wick, right?
The wick need to be break with the body of the any green can red candle. Yes.
Yeah, but no, I'm talking about the next green candle.
Next means this one,
No, no, down, down.
down on here.
Yes,
Okay, so let us talk about on here. So we have this high, we have this low, right? This is the one we are
yes,
talking about. So we says
yeah. So yeah, the break is down. Why you mark the up over there?
Ian right here.
Yes.
Yeah, just I was showing you like it's an engulfing, but sometimes it will not happen. Like if you go to here, so this is also same color candle. So I was showing you like when you have the gap. Let's say it's not an engulfing, then what will happen? Any same color candle you mark, any same candle. That's what I was trying to show you.
So what? Any?
Like this is an engulfing fulfilled, isn't it?
Okay. Yes.
So we says yes, it's an engulfing. But what if it was also same color candle? Like this, let's say this is the red candle, not a green candle.
Okay. That's yeah. That's nothing. Yeah.
Right. So that's what I says. If there is nothing, but if you mark any same color gap area, like here, like here, okay, you will find.
Ah. Okay. Okay. I got you now. Okay.
This is what
Okay.
I wanted to show you. Got it?
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. So for good?
Yeah. It's good. Yeah. That's why I thought that you're telling me still for the,
No.
the green. Yeah. Okay. Sorry. Sorry about
Now
that.
let us go to something else. Like so like we says we know like if you see that here we have what here? We have what here?
Yeah. We have in regular.
Buy.
Buy.
So
Yes.
what is the expectation? We expect if market come back to the buy area, we are going to buy.
Yes. I guess.
Okay, no, that's what we are going to show. Okay, see, okay,
Uh-huh.
we are going to see. So what we see next, market. Look, we also have a buy on here. Okay, so let us go to step by step. Just give me a minute. Let us go to step by step. Okay,
Okay. Yeah.
so we have a buy on here. So also at the same time, what else we have on here? We have a buy on here. Isn't it a buy?
Yes.
What is the expectation? The same expectation as long as it's an engulfing buy. So we are expecting market should come here and then go up.
Okay.
So what we see next, the immediate candle came back to the buy area and started to buying.
Okay.
Okay. So
Yes.
now we says okay, it's came again, and also if it come back to this particular buy area, you see it?
Yes.
Okay. So how and what, how to do breakdown, everything we will see. But for now, we are just watching how the buy zone and sell zone work. Okay.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Okay.
So
Okay.
now what we see here, okay, we have a sell area. Okay. So according to the rules, if it is an engulfing sell area, market should go back and then it come back on here. At the same time, if you look at here, we have a buy area on here also, right?
Yes.
Okay, so what we see, market goes back to the sell area with this candle and it drops like 300 pips, right?
Yes.
300 pips. Okay. Now it came back to where? The buy area, right? The buy area.
Yes.
And then what we see? It moving up. Okay. It moving up.
Yes.
Now we have another buy area on here. Okay.
Yes.
And expectation remains same. If it is a buy area, market should come back to the buy area. If it is a sell area, market should go back to the sell area. Okay. This is the
Mhm.
expectation. So now what we have on here, we have a buy, right? We have a buy.
Yes.
Expectation is same. It should come by and then so we see it came back to this buy area, but it was not respected. So when it not respected, we are going to say a little bit later. Okay. And
Mm-hmm.
then we see this buy, this is the buy we have, right? This is the buy. So we see market come back to this buy and then started to moving up, right?
Yes.
We have another buy on here. Okay. So
Uh-huh.
we see market. Okay. So what else also we have on here? We have a another buy on here. Like here we have another buy. Okay. So this is a buy right here, isn't it? This is a buy.
Yeah, but what about the previous ones?
This one
No, up.
up, this buy one.
Yes.
Yeah, this one. So this is still valid because the low is not broken. You see?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So
So,
yeah,
yeah.
tell me.
We're looking for buys now only?
No, I'm telling you why we learned the engulfing, what it needed.
Uh-huh. Okay. Okay.
So look, it come back to the buy zone and it also give us what here? What else it give us here?
Give us a sell.
So what is the expectation now? Goes back there and sell, right?
Yes.
So it goes back there and it is started selling. Okay, it started selling,
Yeah.
and now we have a buy area. Okay, so it came
Uh-huh.
back immediately to the buy, and then we have still, it's still valid because the low is not broken, isn't it? So
Yeah,
the
it's
buy
not. Yeah.
moving up, we have another buy on here. We see this candle came back to the buy zone and then moving up. Okay, so now we have a sell area on here, isn't it?
Yes.
We see the market goes back to the sell area and then it goes again and then drop, right? So
Yes.
and then we have a sell area again on here. So what we see, market goes back to the sell area and then drop. Now we have another sell area here. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so okay, now wait, we have another sell area on here also. So we see this is the market is running right now. Got it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so let you understand why we need the buy area and sell area.
Yes, yes, yes,
Okay,
yes.
so we says engulfing, like like in here, like if we look at here, what we says this is an engulfing cell.
Yes.
The expectation is according to the rules. According to the rules, what? The market should go back to the area and then sell, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so if we look at here, we see the market goes back to the sell area and then it started to selling, isn't it?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, now another part of it, like what? Like if you look at here, if you look at here, it's an engulfing buy, isn't it?
Yeah. And yeah, and
Expectation,
actually came right away. Yeah.
expectation is it should drop, sorry, it should come back here and then move up.
Yes.
So we see market give us a little bit move up and then it drop, isn't it?
Yes.
So this was a buy. It's a buy zone. That buy
Yeah.
zone
Yeah.
did not respect it and become a breakout in a sense, you can say, right? So
Yes.
when the buy zone no do not respect it, we call that buy become failed, isn't it?
Okay. Yeah.
So as it was an engulfing buy, so we call that buy is failed. So we also call them as an engulfing buy fail or EF, engulfing fail.
Okay.
So now when the buy zone become fail zone, that buy zone become a strong sell zone. Now you can see that market can go there and then immediately drop. You got it?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
So what we see next, the market goes back to the sell area because it was a buy area previously
Mm-hmm.
and then drop.
So we're using those the same levels, right?
Right. You can use it both way. But
Mm-hmm.
we said we will use it so precisely. Like, this is the zone which was a buy zone for 200 pips. So we are not going to use 200 pips as an entry area. We are going to
Yeah, you're
precisely,
gonna
we are going to filter it.
refine to the
Right.
lower level, all
Right.
right?
We are going to do a lot of refining.
Okay.
Right? We are going to do a lot of refining. This is what we are going to do. Now, the same thing if you look at here also. So if you look at here, this is what zone we have in here.
That's a sell zone.
Sell zone. According to the rules, what's going to happen?
When the price need to come back there and to drop.
Drop. So what I say is sometimes it's not going to happen. So what happened on here? It just break through the line, break through the box.
Mm-hmm.
That means that sell area become a failed area.
Okay.
If it's become a failed area, then what it become
Become
now?
buy zone.
Buy zone. And what we see today, we see is it just came back to the buy zone and it started to moving up, isn't it?
Okay. Yes, yes, yes,
The
yes.
same thing happened over and over and over again and again and again. Like we do not have any perfect sell area today. After that, maybe in lower time frame. So if you see on here, we have an engulfing cell, isn't it?
Uh, yes.
Like here. So we have this as a sell
Okay.
area. Expectation remains same, like we expect as a sell, right?
Mm-hmm.
Instead of that, we say market was struggling a little bit and then breakout happened on here. So now, as the area become failed, what is the expectation?
Buy.
Buy. So what we see next, the market jump on that area and then started to moving up.
Okay.
You got it?
Yeah, I got it. Yeah.
And the same thing is happen on here. Like if you look at here, you have this as a sell area, right?
Mm-hmm.
So what happened? It become failed.
Yes.
What is the expectation? You understand now? It just come here and then
Buy.
moved up, right? So what
Yes.
we see, the immediate candle, it came back and nicely move up.
Yeah, yeah,
Got it?
yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I got it. Yeah.
So for whatever I have says, clear cut.
Yeah, it's clear. Yeah.
Okay, so now I have some homework for you. As I said, I'm going to split the session one into two parts.
Okay.
So I want you to send me 30 screenshot of buy, 30 screenshot of fail, and 30 screenshot of, sorry, 30 screenshot of engulfing buy, 30
Uh-huh.
screenshot of engulfing sell, and 30 screenshot of engulfing fail. Fail could be what it is called, buy fail or sell fail, doesn't matter.
Okay.
Okay, that's the
Okay.
homework.
Sounds good.
That's the homework for you. That's the homework for you.
Okay.
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 Yeah. So can you I will send you later today. Can we do tomorrow again, class?
100%. This time is
Sounds
locked.
good, brother.
This time locked for you.
Yeah, the same time. Yeah, 10.
Yeah.